Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, as you guys can see, I'm going to show you all how to renew your faux locks, how to make them look a little more nicer. So the technique that I used is very simple. Anyone can do it. So guys, if you want to see how you can make your faux locks look new again, then please stay tuned and I hope you enjoy today's video. So guys, after about a month or so having these dreads, they were looking really crazy. As you guys can see, super old, and I really like the faux locks. I didn't want to get rid of them, so this is why I came up with this technique. If you guys saw my faux lock video, then you will see how it was looking when it was freshly done. It was looking really nice, but now it's time for them to kind of go, but I'm not ready for that yet, so I came up with this technique. So right now I decided to go ahead and add some treatments in my hair from MD Hair. It helps to grow your hair, guys, and I have a video on that, y'all can check it out. Now I'm also using some shea butter to moisturize my scalp. I'm gonna rub that in really well and just to prevent any dandruff, and it's gonna ensure that my scalp stays moisturized. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends, how that works. So the hair that I'm gonna be using for this is regular expression. So I'm using something that matches my locks. So if your locks are brown, you want to make sure you use brown. If they're black, you want to make sure you use black. And I'm gonna be going into sections. I'm actually gonna just do the back and the front, and just off camera I did the back for you guys so you can see what I'm gonna be doing. And this is how it's looking, way better, a lot better. Let me know what you guys think. So now I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did. So you want to start by grabbing a bit of hair, and if it's too big, make sure you reduce it, and if it's too long, make sure you cut it. We're only doing a very small part of the dread, so make sure it makes sense. And along with that, the only other thing you'll need is your red one hair wax. That's going to help to grab the hair more and just slick everything together. And when you do that, you want to start by doing like a twist. Basically just twist it and then grab your hair, as you guys can see me do now, and you want to start by wrapping that around the crochet locks and your natural hair if it's sticking out. So you just want to keep wrapping until you reach the end of your natural hair. So if your natural hair is longer, then you might have to wrap a little bit more, but if it's short, that's even better. You don't have to wrap too much. And you want to ensure that you don't start too tight. You want to be able to sleep at night, so make sure it's not too tight, and just wrap until you're satisfied. And when you're happy enough, just go ahead and tie a knot once or twice just to secure it. And whatever hair is left over, you just want to use your scissors and just cut that off. So won't you say my name, if you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games. So once again, I'm doing the next hair, and again, I'm not starting too tight, and using my expression, I'm just wrapping that around my hair and the faux locks. I'm gonna wrap until I'm happy enough to where my hair stops. Make sure I tie it up, and that's pretty much it, guys. So to be honest with you guys, I would highly recommend that you use Afro Kenke hair just to give it a more natural look. It's gonna look so much better, guys. However, if you don't have it like me, I didn't have it at the time, so I just went ahead and used expression, which is a bit more silkier, as you guys can see. But Afro Kenke hair will be so much better, I promise you. And as you guys can see, one side is done and the other side is not done, obviously, so I'm just gonna go ahead and work on that right now. So guys, I'm only gonna do the front and the back, and that will be it. I'm not gonna do any in the middle. That will give me too much work. And as well as that, I'm always gonna wear my hair up most of the time, and even when I choose to wear my hair down, it's still gonna look okay. No one's gonna see anything. So guys, using the same technique, I'm just completing the rest of the hair, and as you guys can see, this is pretty repetitive. It's literally the same thing over and over and over again, and I really hope you guys get the technique by now. So if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down to let me know what you think so far.
Too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting.
So just to ensure everything is neat, I'm just using some of my hair wax to hold everything together. And as you guys can see right now, I'm putting my hair up in a ponytail, which is how I like to wear it most of the time, and it looks really good. As you can all see, I also did leave my edges out, because when I go ahead and do my edges, it's gonna look so much better and a lot more nicer. And side by side, this is how the before and after looks. So this is how it's looking after my edges are done and after I put it up in a ponytail, and now I put it down again. But guys, I think it looks so much better, and this can last me about another week or so, because I really wasn't ready to take my hair out. Trust me, I just love the faux locks and especially how rough it looks. But guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, and if this video was helpful, please leave a comment down below, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.